Human eyes cannot really measure things, but computers can do. With 3D scanner, you reduce manual work, optimize your production cycle, reduce your cost, while improve your quality. Our solution can help to fully optimize process of visual inspection for manufacturers.
There are different use cases for this specific technology in various industries. This is a portable device which can be used as a standalone piece with one scanning unit inside for such industries as retail, for example, to create the shape of an object and then perform the measurements. Also, it can be customized and inbuilt into different production systems. One of the use cases is for automotive industry to perform gap and flash inspections as well. You might have a couple of those units combined in a different shape. The scanning process already finished, and here we can view the object that we scanned. So this is the little giraffe which we put inside, so you can have a closer look onto the details of the scanned object. There are different options how you can view it. Like the point cloud, we had it previously, and then mesh, which is used really less, but still.